A Ukrainian M2A2 Bradley infantry fighting vehicle shoots at point-blank range a Russian BTR-82 with troops rushing straight at it. Another inglorious Russian kamikaze attack, or the Ukrainians organized a competent ambush. American Bradley taking on Russian BTR. Not something you ever thought you'd see in real life. Aviation strike on Russian positions in Hlybki village, Kharkiv front. This is the 92nd Brigade at work, pounding Russian positions in Hlybok. The spot where it drives is very interesting, the devastating effects of its 30mm cannon. This assault gave Ukrainian defenders a small but important tactical gain. Ukrainian Yak-52, which is used to hunt down Russian reconnaissance UAVs over the southern Ukraine. Video from a Russian drone. I think this month we will witness some record losses among Russian T-62 tanks. Russian fascists, heroically defending the motherland from the Ukrainian neo-fascists, recorded a video begging their government to provide potable water for their village of 2,000 people, out of whom 4.5%, were sent to invade Ukraine. 7 dead and 12 wounded.
7 человек.
3 Russian agents arrested in Paris for graffiti of French soldiers in Ukraine in coffins. And fires and explosion in Russia just doesn't stop. Warehouse was on fire in Yakutsk.
Тут очень хорошо, хоть ветер не на нас, в ту сторону. Там хозяева, у них же там дом, поливают, стоят, воду отключили, свет отключили, воды не хватает. Подгоняют тут машину, все, что творится.
Gas explosion in Far East Magadan. Putin seized the 5-star Four Seasons hotel right next to the Kremlin on Manesnaya Square. Alexei Kotin, former owner of the Yugra Bank, owned the landmark hotel. He was imprisoned for 9 years in March 2024. The growth rate of the Russian economy is above the world average. Putin. Russia is already ahead of Japan and Germany in terms of economic size, but it needs to ensure stable growth further, Putin added. Russian Finance Minister Anton Siluanov listens to these statements by Putin with an indescribable expression on his face. Russian 9K-33 OSA air defense system is tracked down and destroyed by FPV drones in a hideout by Apache unit. A Russian nuclear-powered submarine will make a stop in Havana next week, the Cuban authorities announced late Thursday. The nuclear submarine Kazan and 3 other Russian naval vessels, including the missile frigate Admiral Gorshkov, an oil tanker, and a salvage tug, will dock in the Cuban capital on June 12, 17, Cuba's Ministry of the Revolutionary Armed Forces said in a statement. This D-Day veteran, I believe his family name is Hurwitz, wanted to kiss Ukrainian President Zelensky's hand, which the tearful president absolutely couldn't accept and instead gratefully hugged him. The video is absolutely beautiful to watch.
The Prime Minister is busy fighting right now.
No. Oh, you're the savior of the people. Here's my eyes. Not a picture.
Yeah, you want a picture?
My hero.
No, you are our hero.
You're my hero. Only one of you. I pray for you.
And for the end, Starship booster makes soft landing in water. Next landing will be caught by the tower arms. Super heavy landing burn and soft splashdown in the Gulf of Mexico.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.